Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, OPPO A98 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. So firstly, of course, you need to open the control panel and then disable all unnecessary features you have here. For example, if you don't need the Bluetooth right now, disable it. Disable mobile network if you don't need it right now. Disable nearby share. Disable NFC. Disable location services. Disable hotspot. So disable all you don't need right now. Okay. Then just open the settings and find here battery, and here you have battery saving mode. Open it, and here as you can see we have the power saving mode. And if you want, you can enable super power saving mode, but in this mode, of course, you will not be able to use all features of your device. You can use only 6 apps, so 3 standard apps, and you can add different apps too. In this mode you can use only several apps, and in this way your device will live really longer. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.